Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi Wasemzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. People are dragging the late Nontobeko Qele, who was deleted by her ex-boyfriend Usbosiso Lawrence. People are dragging the girl, blaming the girl for what actually happened to her. Uthi Mthunzo laphana ku TikTok jwayela amadoda kabi uthi Sibonga Ntoshi ngoba usemncane nje yini ubufebe. Uthi uMathuko Mahlaba hamba Ntombi uzibulele ukufa uzibizela ukufa ngobufebe ingane yabantu ibikwenzele iqiniso. Uthi Mthunzo yena jwayela amadoda kabi uthi Mavuka Zondi wena Nondindwa. So people are dragging uNontobeko Qele instead of blaming Usbusiso for his actions or for what he did. People are actually saying that the girl deserved this. It seems like we have a long way lesanayo alekufanele bantu abasebende ekuyendeni, because it seems like people don't see anything wrong with what happened. People are condoning Sibosiso's behavior. No amount of whatever that Sibosiso said the girl did lebeyingenda kokuthi azagcine athatha impilo yakhe. May her soul rest in peace. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I am signing out. Goodbye.